It is time for some Finally Friday, Finally Fun Day birthdays in the 4 states, and we begin in Orinoco with Tanner Jimenez, who is turning 1 year old today. What an incredible first birthday. And then here's the deal. To Tanner's parents, I'm sure you know this, they're going to grow up so fast. I mean, it seems like only yesterday our kids were in the months area, and now all of a sudden they're much older.
No,
so enjoy it while
too.
it lasts. Tanner, happy birthday to you.
All right, out in St. Paul, Carly Jo Beechner celebrating birthday number 2 this year. Looks like she's been having some fun in the water this summer. Happy birthday, Carly Jo.
Been a good summer for that, too. We also have Kevin Phillips. Oh, I love his suit and his tie there, his shirt and tie. He looks absolutely handsome. Kevin Phillips celebrating birthday number 5 in Riverton.
Timber Robinson celebrating birthday number 8 this year. Pretty dress that she's in there. Timber is in Nevada with birthday love coming from mom and dad.
We're going just to the south in Jasper, where Bridget Hill is turning 9 years old today. Birthday wishes coming from mom, dad, Gatlin, grandma, papa, nana, and grandpa. So it sounds like Bridget's going to have one heck of a birthday celebration today. Happy birthday to you, Bridget.
All right, in Frontenac, turning 11 years old this year. It's time to celebrate for Easton Jesse. Hope you have a great day.
And we've got Drew Johnson celebrating birthday number 12, taking an incredible school photo there. And that's good that he does that, because I've seen some of the kids, you know, they make those weird faces and then the parents don't like the pictures. But Drew did the right thing, took a great picture. Happy 12th birthday to you.
All right, Colton Meisner celebrating birthday number 19 this year. Colton is in Chanute.
And we've got Jessica Honschel turning 35 in Carthage this year. Jessica, happy birthday to you.
All right, Sean Doty celebrating birthday number 35. Thank you for your service there, Sean, I can tell. In Stella, Missouri, with love from your wife, Jerica.
Now that photo's a pinch on the dark side, but I'm pretty sure Sean's got the classic fireman mustache in that photo. You can't be a fireman without the stash,
I think you're right.
I'm telling you, and that's a good-looking photo there and a great-looking mustache. Sean, happy birthday to you. Gail Hamblin celebrating birthday number... Oh, look at that. That's a great picture, too. Gail Hamblin celebrating birthday number 56 in Pittsburgh. Happy birthday to you, Gail.
And that is Gail on the left there.
I would hope so.
Yes. And we've got Brian Joy celebrating birthday number 56 this year. Brian is out in Altoona. Have a great weekend.
And we're switching to Virgil Wynn celebrating birthday number 75. Look at him in his Colgan Letterman's jacket. Now that is awesome. Birthday 75 for Virgil Wynn. And this comes from Brandy Dale and everyone at the Knights of Columbus Towers. Happy birthday.
All right. And let's see, we've got Richard Mason. Happy birthday from the entire family. Richard is in Girard celebrating birthday number 81 this year.
And we've got LaDonna Smith down in Columbus celebrating a birthday today as well. LaDonna, happy birthday to you.
All right, our birthday list goes on. Diana Carter in Pittsburgh. Happy birthday to you. Barbara Frank celebrating in Columbus. Alice Musa celebrating a birthday in Cherokee, and in Scammon, Leela Grant. Happy birthday to you.
We've also got Kay. I'm going to mess this last name up, Kay. I'm so sorry, but I believe it's Amex. Kay Amex celebrating in Columbus. We've got Bob Robinson turning 85 in Baxter Springs, and Karen Normand celebrating a birthday in Frontenac. A happy birthday to you all.
All right, and if you have a birthday or an anniversary, you can send them to us at birthdays@koamtv.com or go to birthdays@koamnewsnow.com and submit them.
And while you're there, there's something else you absolutely have to do, and that is sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. You get special deals from local businesses, so make sure you go check it out at koamnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club.